What's up? How are you all? I know मैं थोड़ा गायब हो गई थी वापस से अपने चैनल से because honestly speaking इतना कुछ exciting हो नहीं रहा था लाइफ में कि मैं उसे YouTube पे अपलोड कर सकूं और आप लोग के साथ शेयर कर सकूं. First of all, people who don't know me and are new to my channel, I am Dr. Simran. I make almost daily and travel vlogs. कुछ exciting हो रहा होता है, कुछ हो रहा होता है, so then you'll see it on my channel. And now I think the excitement in my life is back because I have finally reached Singapore. Yay! मैं जान में इंडिया आई थी और फिर मैं जान से ऐसा अटकी कि my 10 months were there, but I think in all that I found my passion as well. So I am now switching my field and getting into digital marketing. I am actually doing a course from here in Singapore. Well, I traveled by business class for the first time in my life and the experience was really good. However, honestly, अभी कोविड में तो मतलब जो travel का वैसे fun था, it's all gone. Luckily because I was in business class, so the queue wasn't much. लेकिन अगर आप इकोनॉमिक क्लास से ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, जो मैं भी अक्सर करती हूँ, क्यू इज रियली लॉन्ग फॉर चेक इन, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड लीव ऑन टाइम. वेब चेक इन इज कंपल्सरी इफ इन केस यू आर प्लानिंग टू ट्रैवल. उसके बाद इमिग्रेशन लाइन इतनी लंबी थी नहीं बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन स्लो, तो इतनी भीड़ जमा नहीं हुई थी इमिग्रेशन काउंटर्स पे. या एवरीथिंग एल्स वाज फाइन. वंदे भारत मिशन जो है एयर इंडिया डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट फ्रॉम मुंबई टू सिंगापुर एंड नाउ आई एम इन अ 14 days the hotel quarantine and I am staying in a fancy schmancy JW Marriott, baby. Let me give you a quick room tour cause why not? This is how you enter the room. This is the entrance. That's my stuff kept there and it's me. Da, 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 da. We have a wardrobe here. You have the ironing table. You've got iron, blow dryer. Then we have the fridge here. We've got a kettle here. Okay, so here you have your sugar, coffee and all that. ये सब खाली है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Then this is the washroom. I'm gonna make the most of this for sure. Yes, bathtub, ये gonna be fun. और एक मजेदार चीज बताती हूँ. इसको कहते हैं नखरे. I mean it took me 15 minutes to figure out कि भाई ये चलता कैसे है. टेक्नोलॉजी I'm telling you काफी एडवांस हो गई है. कुछ छूने की जरूरत नहीं है, रिमोट के बटन से सब हो जाएगा. Yay! Well, आप समझ ही गए होंगे ये किसके लिए है, but yeah, quite fancy. Here is the rest of my room. So again, my stuff, ignore. I've just set up my laptop because I'll have my online classes from here. This is the bed. God, I'm going to sleep in so well. And this is the view at night. Okay, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, काफी रिफ्लेक्शन आ रही है लाइट की, so might not be able to see right now, but I will show you the view in the morning क्योंकि मुझे खुद भी देखना है. मतलब यार फाइनली सिंगापुर पहुंच गई हूँ, इतनी खुशी हो रही है मुझे लाइफ में, I can't tell you. Yay! I mean, this is what I wanted. And what else? Well, I'll just have few classes to attend, तो वो तुम्हें Wi-Fi access दिया हुआ है. They're also giving us 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. अगर आपको उसके सिवाय कुछ ऑर्डर करना है वो भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपके कोई relatives रहते हैं, someone who wants to deliver food to you, even that can happen. If you want to order food from outside, even that you can do. So all those facilities are here, which is I think pretty good. So I have more options to eat from Singapore. Any which ways, finally आ गई हूँ मैं यहाँ पे and I am back on my YouTube channel, guys. I'm going to keep posting now. That's a promise and I'm going to try and stick to that. बहुत चपर कर ली, भूख लगी यार. Let's order something. हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग. क्या सुबह हुई है यार. इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. रात को दिखा नहीं पाई थी आपको व्यू का, अभी दिखाती हूँ फटाफट. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द मरीना बे सैंड. आई थिंक दैट्स द वाटर फ्रंट. आई थिंक दिस इज अ मॉल. देन वी हैव पैन पैसिफिक होटल देयर. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी, बट इसके पीछे वहां पे जो है देयर इज द सिंगापुर फ्लायर. एंड या दैट द रोड, दैट इज सिविलाइजेशन आउट देयर. And this is how my room looks during the day. I slept in so well. Oh my god. रात को मैंने एक अच्छा सा shower लिया. Went to bed I think around 2 o'clock. Woke up really fresh. It's almost about to be 12. 8 o'clock they dropped breakfast for me outside. Really hungry. I'm just going to quickly have some breakfast and then sit for my lecture. What's up? अभी यहाँ पे बज रहे हैं शाम के 5:30. Finished my lecture. I had my lunch. I did some other work and फिर नहा धो के I took a quick power nap. And उठने के बाद मेरा कुछ मन कर गया कुछ अच्छा खाने का. यहाँ पे there's something called as Grab. So I was just scrolling through. I was like कि क्या खाया जाए and suddenly I came across something that I really missed while I was in India. And I was like कि ये deliver करते हैं तो मुझे तो यही खाना है. And what is it? I'll tell you right now. It is by Lady M, their layered cake. I'll show you what it looks like. Do you see this? I can't wait. I'm just gonna go and grab a quick bite. Look at that. It melts. Oh my god, it's already melting. Mmm. It's so good. I can't tell you. I wish I could. I wish there were words to express this, but this thing melts in your mouth. They've got different flavors in this one, but this is the classic layered cake that I like because I don't know, there's something about classic. I really love it. तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया और अभी खाने वाली हूँ. एंड इसके बाद क्या करूँगी I don't know, लेकिन अभी तो मैं इसको बहुत ही सुकून से enjoy करूँगी. So yeah, the weather outside looks a bit gloomy. I mean, सुबह से थोड़ी बहुत बारिश हो रही थी यहाँ पे. It hasn't been sunny as such. I woke up only at 11:30. 11:30 जब मैंने अपने कर्टन्स खोले, so I thought maybe it would be a bit sunny, but it wasn't. 14 days I can't step out. I can't even step out of the room as a matter of fact. So 14 दिन यहीं पे रहना है. आज हंसते किससे निकल जाएंगे. I'm not getting bored. I'm not complaining at all because of this beautiful view that I have, and even the room is really comfortable. They've given us enough supplies, and if you want any refills, so even that can be done. You need some beddings to be changed, towels to be changed. They can do that as well. खाना वो दे ही रहे हैं. So I mean, it's an overall good deal for 14 days. Yeah, I mean, plus this. Oh my god. Well, अभी बज रहे हैं शाम के 7. इन्होंने 6 बजे डिनर भी लाके दे दिया यार. Let's quickly check out what's in dinner today. So this is my dinner for the day. क्या है ये? Apparently this is nasi goreng kampung, fish fingers. This is probably tofu. This looks like kimchi and kimchi spices. I'm going to avoid eating this. And we also have a dessert, berry verine. Sort of जेली टाइप है. लाइक ऑनेस्टली खाना यार 6 बजे ही आ गया था. मुझे तभी खा लेना चाहिए था. आई एम एन आवर लेट एंड खाना ठंडा हो चुका है. आई थिंक फ्रॉम टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हैविंग इट ऑन टाइम सो दैट आई कैन relish the food and enjoy it much better. So I'll continue having the rest of my food while I watch something. डिनर कर लिया मैंने. My dad called me and he told me कि बेटा हम जो है बस आपके होटल के पास आ रहे हैं एंड ये जो पूरा विंडो ग्लास है. He said that just tell me which side it is facing. We'll come see you. My dad is coming with one of his friends. This is going to be fun, you know, things that family do just to see you, even though दूर से. लेकिन यार That was so sweet यार. I mean, दूर से ही सही, at least dad को देख तो लिया. It was so funny, like he's standing across the street और मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे डांस करते करते ऐसे वेव कर रही थी because he was recording me from there and I was recording him from here. Oh god. And बस I think that is the end of day 1. I'm just going to edit this footage and try and upload it as soon as possible and then vlog थोड़ा आगे भी. आज का दिन तो यही समाप्त होता है. कल सुबह होगी एक नई शुरुआत, एक नया दिन, एक नया जज्बात. I know that did not make sense. Thank you guys for joining me on my day 1 of quarantine. I hope you guys like this video. So please feel free to subscribe and if you like this vlog then hit the like button and share भी कर लो. Subscribe तो करो ही जरूर please. Until next time you guys take care and keep smiling. Bye.